Students, welcome to our YouTube channel. We will discuss today pseudo first order reaction. Pseudo first order reactions. As we all know, जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं, in all the elementary reaction, order is equal to the molecularity. In all the elementary reaction, मतलब जो एक स्टेप में होता है, which occur in single step. In all the elementary reactions, order is equal to molecularity. Order is equal to molecularity. But in some cases, in some reactions, we observe that molecularity is different, order is different. ये उस रिएक्शन में पाया जाता है, those reaction where one of the reactant is in large excess. So if any reaction, if one of the reactant is in large excess, their concentration would not change considerably. So it conform to the first order reaction. Although molecularity is 2, but it conform to, it retain to its first order reaction. So it is called a pseudo first order reaction. So in the reactions, you will write in the reaction, if one of the reactant is in large excess, their concentration, the substance which is in large excess, their concentration would not change considerably. So they are conformed to, although molecularity is 2, molecularity is 2, but they conform to first order. They are named as pseudo first order reaction. Now the question comes, which reaction is pseudo first order reaction? We will consider it how it is pseudo first order reaction. Two examples are very familiar here: the hydrolysis of sucrose and the hydrolysis of ethyl acetate in presence of acids are called as pseudo first order reaction. Acidic hydrolysis of sucrose you will take C12H22O11. It is hydrolyzed in presence of acid, water in presence of acid. It forms C6H12O6 and C6H12O6. One is the glucose, one molecule is glucose, other molecule is fructose. These two are functional group isomer of each other. Other example is the acidic hydrolysis of ethyl acetate, CH3COO C2H5 plus H2O in presence of acid for CH3COH plus C2H5OH. Molecularity is 2. Rate of reaction होना चाहिए किस पर डिपेंडेंट? ऑन द इथाइल एसीटेट एंड वाटर. इट इज ए कैटलिस्ट. H प्लस किस तरह काम करेगा? H प्लस वर्क एज ए कैटलिस्ट की तरह काम करेगा. सो रेट होना चाहिए था क्या? रेट होना चाहिए था, रेट इज इक्वल टू K concentration of CH3CO C2H5 plus into H2O. But rate of reaction is independent on this. Only one term is used, that is why it is pseudo first order reaction. अब आइए इसको हम डिस्कस करें किस तरह से ये pseudo first order reaction होता है. Suppose that 0.1 mole of CH3COO C2H5 is taken and it is hydrolyzed in presence of acid. It forms CH3COOH plus C2H5OH. Initially, moles before dissociation, we have taken 0.1 mole. And what will be the molarity of this H2O? Molarity of H2O, as you know, density of water is 1, so molarity will be 1000 divided by 18. 1000 divided by 18, that is 55.5. And this is 0, this is 0. Moles after dissociation. After dissociation, suppose that this ethyl acetate completely hydrolyzed. So 0 moles this, and this will 0.1 mole, this will be the 0.1 mole, and what will be the amount of this? 55.5 minus 0.1, 55.4. So there is not considerable change, drastic change in the molarity of H2O. So rate of reaction only depends upon the concentration of ethyl acetate. It does not depend upon the concentration of H2O. So it is called as pseudo first order reaction. It is called as pseudo first order reaction. It is called as pseudo first order reaction because rate of reaction only depends upon the concentration of ethyl acetate. It does not depend upon the concentration of H2O. So it is pseudo first order reaction. Now come towards some golden point related to the pseudo first order reaction or order of reaction. Some golden point related to this is that golden point, you may note golden points. Order of reaction is determined experimentally. Order of reaction order of reaction is determined experimentally. Second golden point is that if any reactant is in large amount, they will not be treated, they will not impede, or they will not related to the order of reaction. If any reactant is in large excess, it will not affect the order of reaction. It will not affect the order of reaction because change in concentration will be very minimum. Third point is that in some complex reactions which occur in multiple of a step, in some complex reactions, the order of reaction can be calculated by taking the consideration of products। कहने का मतलब ये हुआ कि ओनली रिएक्टेंट पे ही बेस्ड नहीं होता, बल्कि कम्प्लेक्स रिएक्शन में प्रोडक्ट विल ऑल्सो बी कंसिडर्ड टू डिटरमाइन द ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन। सो इन कम्प्लेक्स रिएक्शन the order of reaction can be calculated, or we may say that in complex chemical reaction order is determined on the basis of product also, or in some complex chemical reaction the order of reaction can be calculated by taking the consideration of product, one of the product. These all are the golden point related to the order of reaction. Pseudo first order reaction we all have discussed. Next video we will discuss some questions and the various questions asked in JEE Mains and medical exams. Thanking you all. I think you must like this video.